sir! Yes, sir!
Good morning, Commander, and welcome to basic training. There's a war on, so we have to make this a crash course. In front of you is your battlefield control interface. With this, now that you've mastered the difficult task of commanding a single soldier, try ordering around a squad. First, select all of the men by left-clicking and holding down the mouse button. In this mode, you can drag a selection box around all of your men. Select all of the soldiers at once and order them east to the bridge.
On my way!
This bridge was destroyed yesterday when the Navy SEALs used it for demolition practice. An engineer is en route to repair it. When he arrives, left-click on him to select him. Then, left-click on the repair hut next to the bridge. Once the bridge is repaired, move your men across.
I've got the knowledge analyzing schematics.
Bridge repaired.
Got it! Orders? Hooah!
This is the shooting range. Select your men by drag selecting a box around the group. Once selected, left-click on the targets downrange. This will order your men to fire. Notice that one of your men has a special symbol on him when he's selected. This unit is a veteran unit. Veterans are tougher, stronger, and can fire more accurately than ordinary soldiers. Double-click on the man who is set up in a defensive position to order him to move out. In front of you is a derelict American Grizzly battle tank. Order your men to destroy the crippled tank.
You got it!
It takes your men longer to destroy the tank than the targets at the rifle range. Regular soldiers are not efficient at destroying armored units. In turn, armored units may not be the most effective weapons for destroying dug-in infantry. Pick the right unit when facing enemies. Good job today. You've completed an important part of your training.
Mission accomplished.
Vehicle ready. On our way, sir.
Today you will fight a mock battle against another commander. He will command the red team, you will command the blue team. Select your mobile construction vehicle by left-clicking on it, then order it to move out of the base. Move out to the east and try to find some open ground.
Unit reporting.
Your mobile construction vehicle is now in open ground. Double-click on it to deploy a construction yard. Now that you have a construction yard, you can begin to build a base. On the right side of your screen, you can see that the icon for a power plant has appeared. Left-click on that icon to start construction of the power plant. Notice how your remaining money decreases while the power plant is building. Each building has a cost. Good. Now your base has power. Notice the power indicator on the left side of your build bar. Each structure you build has a power cost. If your base runs short of power, some buildings will stop working and others will work inefficiently. On the right-hand side of your screen, you should see a button that looks like a soldier. When you press that button, you will see the different types of soldiers that you can train. Right now, all you can train is a GI. Left-click on the GI to start training him. Left-click multiple times to train a series of GIs.
Training. Construction complete. Training.
Your new Chrono Miner will automatically begin to collect ore.
Unit ready.
Red team may attack soon. Your GIs are armed with rubber bullets for this mission. In real combat, they would, of course, be shooting real bullets.
Squared away, sir!
Unit ready.
Your GIs can garrison inside many civilian structures. Select one of your GIs, then left-click on the barn to send him in. While garrisoned, your troops are protected from enemy fire. When the structure is severely damaged, all occupants will be ejected.
Training. Structure garrison. Unit.
To exit your soldiers from a civilian structure, select the structure, then click on it again.
Structure abandoned.
How about some action?
Unit ready. Training. Insufficient funds.
How about some action?
Red Team's strike force has been defeated.
On my
Now,
way.
build some more soldiers, Commander, and when you feel you're ready, move them out
Let's
onto
do
the
it.
map. Find Red Team's command center and destroy it.
Training.
On the move! Squared away, sir! On the move! On the move! Can do! Safety first, sir!
Lost.
How about some action? Moving out! Hooah! Got it! On my way! Got it! Attacking!
Unit lost.
Safety first, sir! We're being attacked! No! Let's do it! Got it!
Unit promoted.
Let's do it!
Unit promoted.
Safety first, sir! Enemy sighted!
Training.
Orders?
Unit ready.
Sir! Yes, sir! Double time! On the move! On my way! Moving
Unit
out!
ready.
How about some action? Double time! Squared away, sir!
Unit promoted.
On the move! Moving out! How about some action? Can do! Double time! Moving out! Can do! Got it! Let's do it!
Unit promoted.
Dig it in! Let's do it!
Unit
Good job.